Hi everybody, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be doing this Vegas themed manicure using some Bundle Monster plates. It's very glittery. In fact, if I go back here in the blur, you can see how shiny that is. I'm showing it this way and then also in reverse in black, which you'll see a little more later. So if you like this design and you want to see how to do it, you can keep watching. And this is also done under a special request from one of my subscribers, so you know who you are, and I hope that this helps you get ready for your trip this weekend, so have a good time. So to start off with, right now I just have one coat of white on my nails over a base coat. I have my regular Express Finish base coat, and I have one layer of my Insta-Dri in Whirlwind White. Then next what we're going to do is put a layer of glitter. This is Wild Shine Kaleidoscope. I don't know if you can read that. It's right there. And this has got multiple sizes of glitter in it. I'm going to do one layer of this glitter over the white. So it'll look like that. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the designs. And on that we're going to put some cherries. And all of this stamping that I'm doing is using Bundle Monster plates. This is going to be Bundle Monster plate number 21. And this is actually a full nail design of cherries, but we're going to just use the largest little set of them for my single nail. What I'm going to do color-wise is I'm going to use my Konad Special Polish in green, and then I'm going to use this red color. This is from Sally Hansen Insta-Dri. It's called Sonic Boom. Now in order to get a two-color design, we want to have the stems to be a little bit green, and then we'll use the cherries red. So what you do is you just take some of the green polish, and I'm going to angle this up so you can see a little bit. I'm just going to place the polish just where I want it to be on the design in green. Then I'm going to go back carefully with the red, and I'm just going to apply the polish where it needs to go for the red. Now the key to doing two-color things is the scraping. When you go to scrape this off, you want to scrape it in a direction that swipes it directly off the plate. You don't want to cross colors or it's going to end up mixing. So I'm just going to scrape that in the direction of the split, pick it up with my larger end of the stamper, and then I'm going to just line this up on my finger and place it directly in the center if I can get it. There we go. And there I have two colored cherries. These diamonds from Bundle Monster plate number 9. These right here. I'm going to stamp those in blue. I'm going to use this Maybelline Express Finish. The color is called Exu Blue Rant. And that one I might actually use both of the diamonds, depending, and again it depends on the size of your nail. And I'm going to place those right there. For my next finger, we're going to do another slot machine fruit. We're going to use the lemon. I'm going to do that again with the Konad green, and we're going to use this Insta-Dri color in Lightning. Scrape in the line of where the split. And then I'm going to place that right in the center. And there's the lemon. Now in the case of the lemon, we are going to want to maybe outline that a little bit. So I'm just going to put a little drop of black polish. And any black polish should do, but this is my Fast Dry in Ebony Hates Chris. And then using my dotting tool, I'm going to go and dip that right in there. And just because I sometimes have a hard time. I do have a black striping polish, but I'm actually just going to do this by sort of dabbing it and sort of just dragging to make the outline. Just because my hand isn't always so steady with those brushes, so I want to make sure I have a nice thin line. So if you're good with striping polishes, then then definitely do it with that because it'll probably be faster. See that there? And then next, I'm going to take a gold glitter striping polish, and on my pinky, I'm just going to draw a letter F and make a little dollar sign. And I'm facing it towards me because I need to be able to see. And then you just draw the little line down the center. And now you've got a dazzling gold dollar sign. And then finally for the thumb, I'm going to use the brush end of my dotting tool. I'm going to pick up the brush, and on my thumb I'm just going to draw a little square. Okay. And then I'm going to draw another square coming out from that. This is going to be little dice. I'm going to make it look like I've got two dice overlapping each other. And if you have a black striping polish, that would be great too, but since I'm going to be dotting as well, I'm just using the same polish that I would use. Okay, so now I have that. And now flipping it back over and going back with the dotting tool, I'm going to go in and this one, because I don't want to draw snake eyes, so I'm going to make a 2 on that one, and maybe a 3 on that. So you have 2 little dice. Now that I have that, I am going to make a little bit extra glittery. So I'm going to go back over now with a different kind of glitter polish. This is the Sally Hansen Extreme Wear, and this one's called Disco Ball. And I'm going to just put a layer of glitter over each one of these images. So there we go. We're going to let that dry, add a top coat, and we'll come back. I'll zoom out a little bit better so you can see the final look. Okay, so here it is with the top coat on it and everything, all shined up. And here's the thumb, nice and shiny also. And then what I went ahead and did is I did the reverse by doing the stamping on black on this hand. Now I wanted you to be able to see this. You can see that you can see the images, but they're not, other than the dollar sign, which is messy, but they show up, but they don't show up fantastically. And I did have to make a couple of changes. First, the bottom coat is the Ebony Hates Chris. I stamped the images without doing glitter first. And the diamond in the center is not this blue. It is actually the For Audrey color from China Glaze. And then I did the dollar sign in Lickety Split Line from the Insta-Dry. And I did it with the dotting tool. Let me see if I can hold my hand steady. It's very messy because this is my non-dominant hand, so I had a hard time drawing it. And then here is the thumb. The thumb I drew with a white nail art polish. This is the Kiss nail art polish in white. So that's how I did that one as opposed to the black. But anyway, here they are compared top to bottom, side to side. But that is the design for the Vegas theme. Just as a real quick follow-up, I wanted to show you that because I wasn't sure if you would like it the lemon with the black outline or not, I went ahead and redid it without the line so you could see how it looks. And when I placed the chunky glitter, I didn't do that one underneath the lemon. What I just did is I did the lemon first. I put a light layer of the Disco Ball glitter over the top, and then I went back with the Kaleidoscope glitter, and I just kind of placed it around sort of the outer areas without actually touching the lemon, just so I still had the same amount of sparkle but without actually washing out the lemon, because that's sort of the problem, is that the lemon sort of disappears underneath a lot of the glitter. So, but I wanted to show you that as just a quick follow-up in case you preferred it one way over the other. So I hope that you like it, and as always, the glitter looks better in person, but you know, a camera can only do so much. See how I'm dazzling from back here, even though it's blurry? Woo, that's some serious shine. So anyway, that is the design. I hope you like it. Thanks for joining me. Bye.